when you're protecting sheets, you need to keep in mind what the other person will see. So can you see here, we've got our spreadsheet, it's protected, and depending on what number we enter, so you'll see I've got some hashes there, but if I enter a particularly big number here, I get other hashes. Depending how you set it up, so what I'd like to do now is resize this. Notice I can't hover there and double click. And that's because the way we've set it up, I'm just going to unprotect the sheet and protect the sheet, is we said we can select lock cells, select unlock cells. What we need to specify, format cells is not going to help here. We're going to say we're allowed to format columns and format rows. So what we're saying is we don't want them to delete or mess with the formulas, but they are allowed to format them. So when I say OK, you'll see it's now protected again. But now notice when I come here, I can actually change the size. If I right click, you'll see a couple of other things have opened. Now I can hide and unhide the columns. So depending on what the end user is going to see, you may have to just allow for this so that they can actually see what they're looking at and perhaps make it printable and things like that.